leading the trend in the wooden product business with epoxy wood cutting boards. Are you ready? As consumers place increasing emphasis on aesthetics and lifestyle, wooden cutting boards have become an indispensable item in modern kitchens. The demand for products that are not only durable, but also beautiful and unique is on the rise, creating a great opportunity for businesses in the kitchenware industry. A new trend that is causing a stir in the market today is epoxy wood cutting boards. These are not just attractive kitchen decorations, but also an opportunity for you to grow your business and significantly increase revenue. But what makes epoxy cutting boards stand out compared to traditional wooden cutting boards? And why shouldn't you miss this opportunity? Let's compare traditional wooden cutting boards and epoxy cutting board trays. Traditional wooden cutting boards, loved for their durability and natural beauty, traditional wooden cutting boards often feature simple designs and are easy to clean. However, with the increasing demand for design and aesthetics, these products can become monotonous and fail to meet the needs of the modern market. Epoxy wood cutting boards. Combining natural wood and modern epoxy cutting boards not only maintain all the advantages of traditional wooden cutting boards, but also bring unique and captivating elements. Epoxy creates beautiful designs with glittering colors and special effects, while enhancing water and scratch resistance. Why are epoxy cutting boards so popular? What benefits do they offer for your business? Modern consumers are not just looking for quality products, they want them to be aesthetically pleasing, trendy, and suitable for their living spaces. The combination of aesthetics and functionality is crucial in making products popular and best-selling. With epoxy wood cutting boards, you get uniqueness and standout appeal. With unique and impressive designs, epoxy wood cutting boards make your products stand out in the market and attract customers at first glance. High aesthetic appeal. Customers are increasingly demanding in terms of aesthetics and uniqueness. Epoxy wood cutting boards not only meet but exceed their expectations, creating an excellent user experience. Adaptability to various interior styles. Epoxy wood cutting boards suit many different interior decor styles, from classic to modern. This allows you to expand your market and attract various customer groups. Optimized profitability. With an attractive wholesale price starting at only $3.50 and a low minimum order quantity of just 500 pieces, you can easily control costs and optimize profits. Epoxy wood cutting boards have high sales potential, helping you achieve good profit margins without worrying about large inventory levels. Reasons why you should choose Ton Tum Tin as a place to import reputable goods. Production experience. With over 12 years of experience in the wood product manufacturing industry, we pride ourselves on our exquisite craftsmanship and advanced technology, ensuring the highest quality for your products. Global cooperation. We have successfully collaborated with many countries and exported large quantities of products, proving our ability to meet international demands. Guaranteed quality. Our products undergo rigorous testing and meet the highest quality standards, providing peace of mind for our customers. Trend updates. Our products are always updated with the latest trends, helping you easily meet customer needs and preferences. Epoxy wood cutting boards are not just current products, but future trends. Contact us today to add epoxy wood cutting boards to your collection. This is an opportunity you cannot afford to miss to enhance your revenue and grow your business with the hottest product on the market. Our entire team is committed to supporting you 24/7, providing all necessary documentation and assisting with everything from product selection consultation to handling import-export procedures.